Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathaniel. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is part 3 of the unboxing of BRIDGELIFT, Thomas and Skiff. Now, you just saw us wishing Zizah a happy birthday, but let's just take a quick look at what happened last night. So I just wanted to get a little bit of visual of this. So tomorrow is his birthday, and so this is his gift. So actually there is nothing inside because we're going to set up the train tracks outside. So when he opens this, it'll be empty, no tracks inside at all. So, and you'll get a glimpse of that when that happens. So we're just going to continue wrapping this. And yeah, stay with me. Hurry up. We wanted this to be a big surprise when he wakes up, so all of this had to be done under the cover of darkness. We didn't want him to have any idea of what was going on until his birthday morning. As you can see, I'm not doing the best job wrapping this present, but he will be ripping through this paper to get to his gift, so I think that's going to be okay, right? I'm really looking forward to his reaction when he sees this train set. So let's get back to it. What's in the box? What do you think is in the box?
And now let's see what's inside.
Yeah, let's see what's inside.
Some inspiration. What's in the present?
What is that?
Some train set.
Because he gets Skiff already, so how Skiff get back on there, so.
Yeah, I just got Skip. Train set.
What's inside the box?
Nice.
What? Where? Oh, where did the tracks go?
Crap.
There's nothing inside. Where did the tracks go?
Well, there is Thomas.
There's Thomas. Okay.
I want to open up.
Oh, get a new Thomas.
Yes.
Oh, that one might need batteries.
Now make my battery.
Ah. Okay, let's go outside. Want you to go.
Let's see for the instructions.
Yes, that's it. So lift the track, lift the track, lift the track.
The bracket, it's stuck.
Put it back down. Oh, right. Push it forward.
Mission accomplished. He was surprised and he is now enjoying his new gift. Now with all these new train tracks and sets, our train yard is getting pretty big. Now we have to move on to other things because we have to put this little party together. The cake is here, the pizza is bought, and in a few hours, a few of his little friends will stop by and we'll just, eat, drink, and be merry. wishing Zizah a happy birthday. Thanks for stopping by, and we will see you next time. We have a few more surprises to go, so please stick with us. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and please come back again and join us.